Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Carice. It's great to have you all here. So if you're viewing me for the first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also turn on that notification bell. So first things first, my hair isn't washed. I did a previous style on my hair like the day before. So my hair right now is in its natural state. It's not stretched out or anything like that. This is what my hair usually looks like without being stretched out. So basically I'm going to show you guys how I style my natural hair really quickly or when I'm in a hurry. So to begin my style using my white tooth comb, I'm going to give my hair a really nice comb out. Make sure that it's free from any knots and tangles. So my hair is looking really dry right now. It's really looking kind of brittle a little bit, so it's really in need of some moisture. So I'm going to be using my Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Cream. You already know I love this stuff. Also my Eco Styler, and for my edges today I'm going to be using my Black Castor Oil Miracle Edge Control. It's the first time I'm going to be using this edge control on camera, so I'm going to show you guys how it works. Using my miracle cream, as I call it, this stuff keeps my hair really nice and hydrated under any protective style. So I really love using this stuff. It transforms my natural hair in minutes. So I'm really going to apply a generous amount all over my hair, all in the roots of my hair as well. So to get my hair really nice and slick, now I'm going to be using my Eco Styler all around the front of my hair, also to the back of my hair, because you already know I love using my Eco Styler. It does the job for me. I really can't complain. I haven't used anything else as much as I use my Eco Styler, so it really keeps my hair nice and slick. So that's what I love. Who doesn't like a slick updo, right? So using my brush, I'm going to make sure that everything is really nice and smooth. So the bristles in this brush is really hard, so I really love to use this type of brush. I pull out this brush whenever I have to do these type of styles because it really gets my hair nice and smooth. So if you guys have hair texture like mine, these type of brushes works well instead of the softer kind. So for this style I'm going to be using my 3x pre-stretch braid. It's in 50 inches. Also it's in the color 1B, so it's pretty long and it's a pre-stretch, and I'm going to be using like 2 pieces of hair from the back to complete my style. So for my bun, I'm going to be attaching the hair extension to a hair tie, and I'm going to be placing that on my natural hair. So I didn't want to use all the hair that came in the pack. I didn't want it, my bun to be too thick or my bang to be too thick. So I used like 2 pieces of the hair from the pack. I think I got the right amount of thickness that I was looking for. So I'm going to show you guys how I begin my style. I split my extension into 2, and I'm going to be placing like the piece of extension to the front where I want my bangs, and I'm going to be splitting that in 2 also to get my bangs the thickness and also the amount that I want in front of my hair. I don't want my bangs to be too thin or too thick, so I'm going to just be doing like a little measurement, making sure that it's perfect. So to measure my bangs, I'm going to show you guys how I do this, and I literally just split the other piece of the extensions into 2, and I'm going to just like measure, make sure that it's the thickness and the length, not really the length but the thickness and how I want my bang. So you can do this thick or thin depending on your liking, but make sure if you're doing this style or you're deciding to try out this style, don't do your bangs too thick, because it's going to be like, it's not going to like complement the rest of your hair. So as you can see, after I got the amount of hair that I want for my bangs, I'm going to just like wrap the rest of my hair to create my bun. So before I do this, I split the rest of the extension in two as well, and I'm going to just continue to wrap to make my bun. And usually whenever I do this, I make sure I do this step really nice and tight. So I'm going to continue to form my bun, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I do my bangs. Also, where there was flyaways to the top of my bun, I did use hairpins to make sure that the top of my hair is really laid down nice and neat, because it is synthetic hair and it tends to like, you know, have a little flyaway. So to get my bun as neat as possible, I did use some of my hairpins. So if you're trying this hairstyle, you can use hairpins to the top of your bun. So for my bangs, I'm going to cut and shape it now, and I use my scissors and I measure out exactly where I want my bangs to fall, and I'm going to start to do my cut. So I'm going to cut my bangs now, and it doesn't have to be straight at the beginning, but we are going to like mold it and shape it into how I really want my bangs to be. So it doesn't have to be like really, you know, nice and straight. We're gonna like make sure that the edges are really nice and blunt and cut. As you can see, it's not really straight at the moment, but I'm gonna like shape it and form the bang exactly how I want it to be. So I'm going to keep forming and shaping my bang so it does look really nice and natural. So to get the best example of, or for me, the way that I get my bangs to look really nice and natural, I love to cut and like use my fine tooth comb and keep combing and cutting as I go along. This is really the best method for me, but you guys can do whatever method that you guys prefer or what works best for you. I'm going to continue to cut and shape my bangs. So I took my time with this process because I didn't wanted my bangs to look really uneven. So now that my bangs are done, and for this step I'm going to like make sure that my flat iron is really on a low heat, because this is synthetic hair and it tends to burn on high heat. So for this step I'm just going to make sure that my flat iron is really low. So to accessorize my hair a little bit more, I'm going to be adding like some hair rings to the top of my bun to complete my style. So this is how the style is looking right now. If you guys like it, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So as you can see, the hairstyle was really quick. So if you guys are looking for a really quick and easy protective hairstyle, I would recommend doing this one. Also, don't forget to check out the other protective styles on my channel. So guys, just remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed, create magic. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.